Hey, Chris. Crystal told me to send over the screencast to you. My name's Corey. Real quick, I'm just going to shoot over 3 free tips on how you can actually start out ranking your competition online. Really start driving quality traffic to your door as well, or to your website. I got your website pulled up here. I would do a nice little click to call action. First, little quick recommendation gives them a sales funnel on where to go. I like to do percentage off, money off, coupons. Free estimates are great too. Just having a nice click to call action. So really, the first thing I'm going to go over is content. Google likes to be around 1,500 words of content. To really be on that first page of Google, you need enough content in there so that way you can lay your keywords on words you're actually trying to be found for. Even these little images right here, what they're saved as, it all matters. You got download one. You can put buyer's intent keywords back there. That'll just make a huge difference with your rankings. If I go inside of Google here and actually type in heater repair Tampa, this is what you're going to see. You got these ads here at the top. You got the old school traditional ads. So a lot of people actually started going away with these ads because of all those spammy phone calls. So they came up with these Google guarantees to help block out some of those spammy phone calls. These Google guarantees just another form of paid advertisement. So if I just click on this, some of these ads cost just $140 a click on some of them. They come and kind of get outrageous there. But anyway, underneath that those ads, you have this little map section. About 30% of the rankings in all the organic traffic happen right about here. In this little section right here, to get the rankings here is going to be dealing with what's called a citation. What a citation is, just an online business directory with your business name, address, and phone number listed on it. So really what we'd want to do is go get those same citations that your competition has. We obviously don't want to stop there. We want to go out there and get a lot more as well, so that way we're always outranking the competition. Underneath this, we have all the organic rankings. This is going to come down to all that authoric content on your website, plus what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from another website linking back to your website that's just ultimately pushing power back to it. Now, not all backlinks are actually created equal. If I just go inside of your URL here, or inside your website, take your URL and stick it inside of Ahrefs. Ahrefs is just a tool that lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a website. So it looks like you got 45 referring domains with just pushing back about 154 backlinks. Looks like you started your journey back in 2013 or so. From there, you got 283 keywords you're being found for. So in total, you get about 117 clicks to your website every month. And these 117 clicks, you can actually come and see where these are actually coming from. You have your name for a lot of this. You got branding, air conditioning, 8th position. You're getting a little bit of clicks out of that. Air conditioning repair, Brandon FL, 6th position. AC repair, Brandon, 11th position. You're getting not as many clicks as you should. Air conditioning service, Brandon FL, 7th position. You have your name for a lot of these as well. AC conditioning Tampa, Florida, your 21st position, so you're missing all the traffic. Let me show you one of your competitors here. This is 1 Hour Air Conditioning and Heating. Kind of showing you what they're ranking for real quick. They got their name, of course, at the top. Tampa Air Conditioning Repair, 200 clicks every single month. They're 2nd position, so they're getting 25 clicks every month to their website. Tampa Air Conditioning Repair, another 250 clicks. There's another 25 clicks that are getting. Their 4th position. So if you had these two keywords, Tampa Air Conditioning Repair, it's buyer's intent. People are actually always looking for their air conditioning to be repaired. It's middle of whatever, and anyway, so there's there's 250 clicks. So they're getting a 50, a little over 50 clicks from those keywords. What would that do for your business for those kind of keywords of actually grabbing those and actually working those? Anyway, we can go, really what you'd want to do is go figure out all the keywords that you actually need to be ranking for, and those would be layered inside that content. But anyway, if you see any value in anything that I went over, would love a free custom game plan to help you get to where you're actually trying to go. I'd love to put that together for you. Even you can also tell me how I did on this video, or at least apply these 3 free tips for yourself. Thanks so much.